Hi, my name is Mike and I'm going to show you how to implement Mecanim animations with our SDK. This tutorial follows the how to launch clip animation, so be sure to check it out if you want to use clip mode instead of Mecanim. In the previous tutorial, we've made the doors open when we were in proximity with them, and now we want our alien to say hello once the doors are open. Here I have a model from Maya with animations already made, and as you can see I have two animations. One is idle and the other one is the alien waving its hand. But if I want to use them, I have to put them inside an animator controller. So that's why we're going to use the other mode called Mecanim instead of clip, which uses the Unity Mecanim state machine. So first you need to create an animator controller by right-clicking and create animator controller. Let's name it alien. And here I have the Maya model already converted into an interactive object. And go to the visuals, and you have to drop the animator controller on the visual itself, on the Maya file itself, like that. So if we display the animator controller, as you can see it's empty, so we will have to fill it with the animation we have from the Maya model. So both idle and anim cuckoo animations from the FBX file. And then I create transitions between those two clips. One going from idle to anim cuckoo and the other way around. So to trigger those transitions, we will create two trigger transition, one called high and one called idle. This is very important because the SDK will use those names to identify which clip has to be triggered. So be sure that every transition has a trigger parameter attached to it. So the one going from idle to anim cuckoo is high. Okay, and the one from anim cuckoo back to idle is idle. So now if I go to the alien interaction, I will rename it to say hi or say hello. This condition is dependent on the fact that the doors are opened, so it's already good. And as an action, I will now choose Mecanim for the animation mode. And on the actions, we actually have a little issue, which is when you click on trigger, you should see the transitions we have defined in the parameters of the set machine, but you don't see anything. As soon as you move something in the Mecanim window, you will lose those parameters. So the workaround now is just to hit play and stop. And as you can see, now we have the both transitions name. So to say hello, we will trigger the high parameters transition, and let's see if it works. So once the door will be opened, the alien should say hi, or at least wave its hand. Yeah, it's working. This concludes this tutorial, and if you liked it, please leave a comment or a thumb up.